Hello kids, how are you? Welcome to our channel. Today we are going to learn alphabets and this is black color marker. We are going to draw the alphabets. Let's draw with me. First of all, A. A for apple. A for apple. Next B. B for bat. B-A-T, bat. Next C. C for cat. C-A-T, cat. Next D. D for dog. D-O-G, dog. Next E. E for egg. E-G-G, egg. F. F for fish. F-I-S-H, fish. G. G for goat. G-O-A-T, goat. H. H for hat. H-A-T, hat. I. I for ink. I-N-K, ink. J. J for jar. J-A-R, jar. Let's introduce some color pencils. These are all the color pencils. Let's learn the names. Light pink color, green color, violet color, green color, sky blue color, orange color, red color, blue color, yellow color, pink color, and brown color. Let's draw the alphabets. Yellow color. A. A for apple. A for apple. A-P-P-L-E, apple. Light pink color. B. A after B. B for bat. B-A-T, bat. B-A-T, bat. Next, red color. C. C for cat. C-A-T, cat. Orange color. D. D for dog. Orange color. D. D for dog. D-O-G, dog. Light green color. E. E for egg. E-G-G, egg. Pink color. F. F for fish. F-I-S-H, fish. Brown color. G. G for goat. G-O-A-T, goat. G-O-A-T, goat. Sky blue color. H. H for hat. H-A-T, hat. Green color. I. I for ink. I-N-K, ink. Violet color. J. J for jar. J-A-R, jar. We are going to draw the alphabets. Black color. Small A. A for apple. B. B for ball. C. C for cat. D. D for dog. E for egg. F for fish. G for goat. H for hat. I for ink. J for jar. Once again learning the alphabets. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J. Okay, bye kids. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel. See you in the next video. Bye bye kids.